Welcome everybody. We're up at the wood hole, and I brought a couple saws today. I got the 500i, and I brought the 064. Well, the 064 has lost spark for some reason. I'm not real sure why. So today, well, this video, it'll be the 500i and 28-inch full house Oregon LG. Is it LG? No, not LG. CL. It's factory square ground chain, 28-inch, and I'm going to run a 7-pin with it, because in the 8-pin creates a little bit of drag and makes it not so falling friendly, if that makes sense. I think it's a little bit too much right off the bat to get that, that initial grab and not make it grabby. And because I tried it with the factory chain, and we all know that factory chain is not all that great, but this CL chain, it has surprised me in how aggressive it still is. So that's why it's still on there. Cut Dougford down at Jack's. You saw that video down at Jack Flies. So now I want to try it up here. I want to try it in some balsam, and I've got a new wedge banger. I just put it together yesterday. Anyway, by the time you see this, you'll probably know a little bit more about this anyway. But I purchased a handle from West Coast Saw. It's their full swing handle, and it's this head. Oh yeah, 4 pounds. The tree I'm going to fall today probably won't use it much, but you never know. So I will have it on my hip and ready to go if I do need it. These are a nice handle. They come 26 inches from end to end, but where I hang on to it, it's about, after I hafted it, it's probably 23 and a half. It's a great feeling handle. Great feeling. I can't wait to really put it to use and really get the feel of it, to see how well it works, as opposed to a 3-pounder, 3.5-pounder, or even the 5-pounder on this handle, and that type of a pole. It's got to be insane for driving wedges. It's a dandy. So anyway, that's what I got going on. Sorry about the 64. I don't know. I'll give it another chance after we get the tree on the ground, because I'd really like to try it, because I was going to try the 32-inch full house CL square ground factory chain from Oregon. It seems to be nice chain, and if I'm going to do some square grinding, I got some chain to just go straight into square grinding, instead of having to go from the factory round ground chain and take as much as you take off the tooth to get it to square. So I'm starting out square, going to stay square with these chains, unless something happens, if I'm out and wherever and cutting firewood or doing whatever and I rock one real bad, and I got a round file. I also have a square file too, so we can get it fixed up. Anyway, hopefully we can keep it out of the dirt today. All right, we'll see you on the stump. Hope you're all having a great day, and welcome to all the new subscribers. I appreciate you a ton. This is our tree right here. It's pretty tall. We got a few things in the way that I'm hoping to work around. We'll go over here, show where it's gonna, where I want to put it. I'm gonna follow it from this side of the tree, because it's leaning that way, and that way. So I'm going to stay away from, I'm going to stay away from the lean. And there's some of the obstacles right there. That other dead one that's right there, I could fall that. But I want to try to break the top out of it. Because I'm trying to go down, I'm trying to go down our road. Our road is right here. You can see it right there. I'm trying to get it to lay right there. This from the other side. You can see that top right here, that dead top. I want to try to break it out of there. So for TazMan-Kenny 2024, somebody will have a chance to fall a smaller, shorter tree. So there is method to my madness. I got a good escape route, so I'll be way away from any of the debris that could come back and get me. So let's get after it. 500i. Escape route. Not bad. Oh, well, we about had a mess there, but hey, look at it. It's all off the ground. All off the ground. Look at all that moving. Well, we brought that other one down. That's okay though. It's dead. So we'll just get it cut off and I'll haul it out of here one of these days. Right? Right. Sorry, I tried to make a tree for TazMan-Kenny it caught a little bit too much of it, and it was a little bit stronger than I thought it was. Right on. That was smooth, real smooth on the stump. Now let's see how it does on the, let's see how it does in the cut. Look at how long that is. It goes clear out there. See the yoder back there? Oh yeah, plenty of room. I don't see anything hanging up there. Let's try it in the cut. Okay, I'm gonna go get the Toyota. I'm gonna back it back in here a little ways further, and I'm gonna get that other chain, and we're gonna see. Now we have a comparison. I won't cut anymore. This is why I wanted that 64. I'm bummed out the 64 didn't run. This is where I wanted to really try it in this size of wood with that longer bar and some square ground chain. But anyway, I'm gonna get the yoder back here, and I'm gonna put on the square ground chain from Square Cutter. Okay, then I'll do one more cut. I'll do one more cut with this stock chain, and then I'll change it, and we'll put the chain I ground with the Square Cutter square jig setup. All right, awesome. Okay, here we go. Let's get a measurement on this old log here. Go a little lemon on the way, huh? It's 46. Well, there, 46. And we'll go 4. That makes it 50. That's 4 foot right there, right? That's 50 feet. There's 46 more feet. 46 right there. We got hung up. Thinking knot bumper slacking. I should have marked that spot, huh? Where were we? Where were we? Right in here? We'll go right here. So that's 96 feet. We'll go to right there. 96 and 21. $96 and $21. Let's do a little math right here. $117 feet. So, okay, we're gonna go one more cut, straight through. Okay, now this is a Husqvarna chain. This is a Husqvarna chain, not X-Cut, just a Husqvarna chain that I square ground on the square jig. Okay. It feels smoother to me. Feels smoother. They're both pretty smooth. But that one, that ground chain on that square jig, it just seems better to me. It's fast. This makes me not happy. Coral mushrooms right here. Corals. See them? Getting a little dry on top. If anybody's out there looking for corals, they're out. Oil jug. Oil cap. Flashlight. Junk. Water jug. Bet they were thirsty on their way out, huh? And we got another nice Doug fir right over here. It's a pretty nice tree. I don't know if you can see it through there or not. Anyway, we'll get some of this garbage picked up. Beats how other folks can't. Because this is the kind of stuff that gets you shut down, folks. Just trying to do my part. Right? Old bicycle tire. Don't suppose that's gonna go away anytime soon. Awesome. Just doing my part. Do what I can to keep things open so other people don't. Well, anyway, enough of that. I'll get this stuff put in here. It's a nice load of firewood. Woohoo!